What's up, guys? Welcome to our next project series bike, and we're going to go over the way it is right now, which is, what do you think?
That's a sight for sore eyes, that's what it is.
You know, the bike's got great bones. It's a KDX450 two-stroke. I was looking at the rims, they're nice and straight. The front fender's got a hole in it. It's missing the headlight. A good friend of mine has owned this bike for many, many years, and he's moved on to riding Harleys and big bikes, but he wants to ride with us in the 500 shootout we're going to have later this summer. So follow us along. This is part one of the resurrection of the KDX 450. Rear rim's nice and straight. I always check the frame rails. Frame rails, not a single dent on this side. Pegs and stuff are straight. The other thing I always check, just to look at the seat. Even the seat cover's in nice shape. So although at first glance, here's our parts guy. He's eyeing it up. What are you gonna get for? What do you need to get for parts on it, Shane?
We're gonna get some plastic. We're gonna get some new plastic with graphics and tires.
Definitely need new tires. These are really old. Yep.
Yeah, the rubbers are old. Make sure everything works. Brakes, and definitely go over the motor. Make sure that motor's ready to go.
You know, the pipe's nice and straight. No dents in the pipe.
Yeah, clean the pipe.
It's just a little dusty from sitting and a little dirty. This was actually ridden at our last 500 shootout last year by Frank, but it wasn't running that good. Look at the silencer on this thing. It's longer than my elbow. This has got to be the longest silencer I've ever seen. It's like a bazooka. So maybe we'll hop it up a little bit and put a shorter silence on there so Frank can get the whole shot. He's a big guy. So we'll go through it. Probably put some new grips on it. The grips are shot. It's got some Chinese aftermarket levers. The bars need a paint job. Put a new one of these on there. The breather hose. Probably put all new hoses on it. Flush out the tank. Order a new air filter for it too, and some new tires, and some new graphics, and some new plastics for it. Okay. After your dad, don't worry. The Dirt Bike Wizard's gonna make it brand new. I'd like to stick with the OEM graphics though.
Yeah, absolutely.
If you would,
blue and green.
if you can get the blue and green and the 450 stickers, and we'll get do a custom something up top here, maybe his favorite race number or something like that. So that's stage one, the analysis. Kick it over. It's not. I know it's not seized. Kicks over, good. That's good. I wouldn't kick it over anymore. I want to lubricate the cylinders first. Kicks over, nice.
Good compression.
She's not seized, and I know it has sparks. So stay tuned as we resurrect this classic KDX 450.